Hey, what's going on, guys? Osman here. Today I'm just going to record a video to show you how you can make money online as a beginner in 2020. Okay, so this is my Warrior Plus account, and this is not a screenshot or anything, so I'm just doing this video right now, and I want to show you the date and time right now. Okay, so right now it's 1:04 in my country. I'm based in Mauritius at the moment, and it's 9th of January. Okay, so today I've been able to make $90.18 and $91.50 yesterday. As you can see, this is a date here, and these are sales coming in, and per month I've got 42 subscribers, and these are recurring payment. Okay, so I'm going to show you exactly how you can start making this money online for free. Okay, so for those who doesn't know me, my name is Osman Murabi. You can find me on Facebook. You're going to see a link below this video where I'm putting my social network where you can connect with me. Just feel free to send me a friend request, and I'm very active on Facebook, and I'll be happy to answer your question if you have any. Okay, so let's get on to the training. So what I want to cover here today is best ways to make money online in 2020 for free, which is affiliate marketing. So step number one, you need to create an account with Warrior Plus. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do this. What you need to do, you go on Google and you type warriorplus.com. okay, and then you will see something like this. Okay, all you got to do is click on sign up for free. You enter a username, a password, and email address, and then click on I'm not a robot and create account. So once you create your account, you will have a username and a password, and you will see something like this here. This is how the account looks like. Okay, and there'll be your name there and your account and everything. Right, so that's step number one. Step number two, import this funnel. Okay, so I'm going to give you a funnel that I'm using right now, which is giving me which is helping me to get a lot of leads. It's helping me to build my list. Okay, so the funnel that I'm using right now is in ClickFunnels. Okay, so I'm just going to show you exactly the funnel. So this is how the funnel looks like. Okay, it's simple opt-in. This will literally force you to make passive income online even if you don't wish to. So you're going to see a link below this video where it says import this funnel. Okay, so once you do that, this is going to import into your ClickFunnels account, and then it's going to be like this. Okay, and then what you got to do is step number three is create an account with Getresponse. Right, so what you need to do, you need to go on the link that I've provided below this video. It's called Getresponse. You go on there, and then you click on sign up for free, and you enter your name, your email, and your password, and you click on create account. So I already have an account, and I'm just going to show you. I'm just going to log in and show you. Okay, so that's my account, and looks, I'm building a list. Yeah, so this is how it will be for you once you've created your accounts. And Getresponse come with a 30 days trial, so you don't need to put any money up front, and ClickFunnels as well come with a 14 days trial, so you don't need to actually pay any money forward. Okay, so now we've showed you step one, create your account with Warrior Plus. Step two, import this funnel. Step three, create an account with Getresponse. Step four is promote recurring offers. Okay, so right now on Warrior Plus, as you can see, there are many offers. You got this one, Trazzle, Trace All, Mail Count, all these are offers. Okay, if you go on affiliate and offers, you're going to see a lot of offers that a lot of affiliate vendors are posting, so that we as affiliate can promote. But I'm going to show you the one that is working very well for me. Okay, I'm promoting an offer which is a private offer, and at the same time this offer is paying recurring commission. The offer I'm promoting is called 24-hour profit here. Okay, so if I go on my stats and then today you can see 24-hour pro, 12 hops, 12 clicks, got 2 sales. Okay, and then this is going to turn into recurring. So recurring payment, you start paying me recurring payment. Okay, I'm also promoting VIP board, and I've promoted Profile Hustle as well. But to start with, I'm going to show you how to promote all these offers, but to start with, promote the 24-hour profit. So again, you're going to see a link below this video on how you can start promoting it. Okay, so in order to start promoting, you need to be a member of this. It costs only $2 to become a member, and once you become a member, you will be able to get approval from Fergal Downs to start promoting this offer, right? And now step number 5 is how to drive traffic to your funnel, right? So again, if you've got your ClickFunnels in place, right? You've got your ClickFunnels and you've imported this funnel and you've connected your autoresponder. Actually, I forgot a very important step on how to set up your list. So once you've got your email list here, the next thing you need to do is to create a list. You need to create a list so that you can start collecting leads. So I've put a video on YouTube. Okay, here's a video on how to create a list. So this video is about 11 minutes and 45 seconds. It shows you exactly the exact step that you need on how to create a list inside GetResponse. And also in this video, I'm showing you how to connect ClickFunnels to your autoresponder, which is a GetResponse. These two has to link together so that you are able to start getting people into your list, and also you'll be able to market to them. So I've covered everything in this video on how to do this, right? So drive traffic to your funnel. Once your funnel is ready, this is how it will look like. So if you're on ClickFunnels, this is the link that you will have. Click here. This is the link you will have, and what you need to do, you need to go and buy solo ads. So I'm going to put the vendor's link below, where I'm actually buying my solo ads, right? So you will see a link below this video. Click on it. Yeah, order now. And this is the guy that he knows me, and if you tell him like Osman sent you, he's going to give you a discount, okay? Because he actually doing me a favor when I'm sending people to him. And I said, look after my people, give them a discount, and his traffic converts, because you just saw my Warrior Plus account on how much money I've made so far in the last 30 days. Okay, so his traffic converts, right? I'm buying traffic from him. I would suggest you start at least minimum 200 clicks. Don't go and buy 100 clicks. You're not going to get much conversion. If you want to build a list, you got to invest into yourself. So that's the only thing you need to invest right now. Invest in paid traffic. You can purchase 200 clicks. If you have a bit of a more budget, you can invest with 300 clicks, right? So just to get the money rolling in, and then you should start sales coming in. I'm not promising you anything, is income disclaimer, but I know this guy's traffic work, so I'm sharing everything that I do in my business on how to generate money online, okay? And also in step number 6, you will see a link below this video, because I want to invite you to my Facebook group for more tips and training. So actually, let me show you. This is a group here. Ultimate Affiliate Mastery. Okay, so I'm going to put a link where you can come inside the group, where I'm putting a lot of content as well. So here inside this group, we have over 930 plus members, and every day people are joining. So we show you again step by step on how to optimize your Facebook profile for success, how to start promoting, how to get free traffic from Facebook, how to get unlimited leads, how to earn commission by doing reviews, and also how to track sales, ClickFunnels alternatives. There's a lot of training, but I don't want to overwhelm you here. I want to show you simple steps on how you can start today and start generating money with affiliate marketing. So I'm just going to recap what I've covered. So step number 1, you need to create an account with Warrior Plus. Step number 2, you're going to import the funnel. Step number 3, you're going to create an account with GetResponse, and then after that you got to watch this video, which I've put as well, on how to connect GetResponse to ClickFunnels, and then how to build the list and then set it up. And step 4 is to actually promote the 24 hours profit, which again there's a link you need to get in there to purchase this first. So I think I've shown you this. So once you inside your Warrior Plus account, you go on offers, you're going to see a 24-hour profit. It says here get link. In your case it will be requests, right? So once you click on requests, there's a secret code, request approval. There's a secret code that you need to type so that Fergal will approve you. Okay, so once you've done that, then you will see something like this. It says get link, right? Once you get your link, and this is your affiliate link that you will be using to start promoting. So this will go inside your ClickFunnels. So here's a ClickFunnels, edit page. Go on setting, general, and this is where your link, affiliate link will go. Okay, so once your link goes in there, you will be able to start generating commission. Right, so I think I've covered everything. I've covered step 1 to step number 6, and I hope you got value from this video. Again guys, I'm not here to sell you anything. I just want to show you how you can start making online in 2020 for free. Please, if you got value from this video, give me a like, and then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Looking forward. See you on the internet. Bye for now.